Got some bad news.
What?
Guess what Dad did last night?
What?
He ate every single bit of candy. There's no Halloween candy left.
Oh no!
Charlie,
I want candy.
Charlie, Dad ate all of the candy.
Oh, was that last night?
Yeah, he had a bellyache.
Bellyache. I want.
Is that okay that Dad ate all of your candy?
No, I wanted some candy.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's all gone.
Ah! Maybe next time we have to get some more. And then Dad did not eat any more candy.
Okay.
Ah! At least we still got a Twizzler.
Okay. We're just going to eat the Twizzler.
Ah!
Sorry, Marshall.